Yeah, hi, myself Arun. Actually, I want to share a glimpse of views on medicinal plants used in Sindha. Actually, nowadays, many projects have been implemented by our government, and many funds are ready open for in the projects of Siddha medicinal plants. Actually, it is kind of it is starting from authentication of plants to the formulated drug. First, for a medicinal plant, it should be authenticated. That means a plant is considered that it is the exact same quality plant collected, which is not a hybrid or something else. If a plant is chosen for a research, and that plant should be authenticated by a botanist who is specialized in the field of medicinal plants. After that, the whole taxonomic classifications and whole process of their place of growth and cultivation, time of cultivation, everything is consolidated, and this is the basic work of authentication and taxonomical work. And after that, the particular plant pot should be processed for microscopical studies, that is anatomical characterization of plants, so that the microscopical characters such as presence of various tissues, xylems, phloems, very specific characters of each plant is identified, so that in future this plants can be this subject can be used as a reference for that particular plant. After the taxonomical classifications, that particular plant is undergone for powder microscopy, that is the plant part is grinded after shade drying, and the powder microscopical characters of the same plant is studied. After that, each plant is extracted by various solvents. So we cannot take a plant as such. We should process each plant part, because some plant pods are not too good for our health too. So for that, we choose different solvents based on the polarity. For example, we can take alcoholic extractions, chloroform extractions. Various phytoconstituents dissolve in various solvents. For example, if a particular phytoconstituent is dissolving in chloroform, we should go for chloroform extraction. And the plant drug is powdered, and it is undergone for hot continuous percolation, that is, it is kind of sock slit extraction, and that particular extract is taken out. And after that particular extraction, it undergoes various phytochemical screening of that particular plant for testing the presence of various chemical constituents present in that particular extract. After that, chromatographic characterization. After chromatographic characterization, each extract have various phytoconstituents, so we need a particular target phytoconstituents to be isolated. So for that, column chromatography is used, and the particular phytoconstituents is used isolated. And that for example, we can take capsaicin from capsicum, curcumin from turmeric. Various phytoconstituents are there in medicinal plants. So we take a curcumin from turmeric. This curcumin is isolated in a column chromatography. That particular curcumin is standardized by using various standards of various chromatographic techniques such as gas chromatography, liquid chromatography, high performance liquid chromatography, HPTLC, high performance thin layer chromatography. So various chromatographic studies is undergone. After the confirmation of particular curcumin, that is in that various IR and UV studies also performed for the structural elucidation of particular compound. After the confirmation of particular compound, this compound is formulated. We cannot take curcumin as it is. We can say using of turmeric can prevent cancer. Yeah, it prevents, but more than 5 to 6 kgs of turmeric only contains very minute quantities of curcumin, so that we are saying that we are using turmeric, we can prevent anti-cancer. It is not the fact, but particular phytoconstituents is used for preventing such type. So we want to isolate that particular curcumin, and this curcumin is not taken as such. We should formulate either as a capsule or a syrup or whatever kind. In that form, that curcumin is standard, which without changing the characterization of that particular curcumin. So after the formulation of tablet or any capsule, that capsule or tablet is evaluated for various studies such as disintegration. After swallowing, it should be disintegrate in our body and metabolize in our body. So preliminary studies of that particular formulation is done. After that preliminary formulation, it should be gone for preclinical trials, that is animal studies. And if the animal studies is succeed, it has various regulations and act and pharmacy. And after that it is undergone for clinical trials of phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, that is human trials. After the successful human trial, the drug is formulated. This is how a drug comes from the medicinal plant. That's it. Thank you.